You know what? Why not make a part 2? And more or less part 2, I'm just collecting all the Beyblades again. Cause why not? I will most likely do some test battle videos tomorrow. I was hoping to get the UX10 set in today, but I still have yet to get an update from All of Toys. They say it's probably going to be like the 20th before they get their next shipment, so that's fun. But yeah, once I get that, I will definitely do some test battle videos. Whee! I think we only have one bay left to get. Whee! Going to the beach. You know, what Common X says in the first episode, I would definitely imagine him Beyblading in every one of the Sonic zones, even the chemical plant. Yeah. Sorry for the short video today, I just wanted to put a video out today. I will definitely do some test battle videos tomorrow, maybe record some Splatoon, something like that. I will see you all in the next one.